Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time it's another mystery brand video, and you saw in my previous video I got diddly squat from opening up 100 Apple Boy boxes, and yeah, I have about $293 left, and I'm just gonna go into some of the more HYPEBEAST boxes because that's what everybody is requesting. So yeah, stay tuned to see what happens. Alright you guys, so you guys can see I'm at $293.12, and this might be a very quick video because I plan to just go into the more expensive boxes and keep on going until I have no money at all, or not enough money to keep on going. And I did notice, so if you go up here in the bar up here, you can see what people are winning live, and I've mentioned this before, but somebody is on you know, the sneaker site, and you can go to their profile and you can see what they've won. And this guy Creams, he won, his best one was a Adidas Yeezy 500, and it looks like he likes to play the HYPEBEAST box, or the Yeezy box, or the Hype Shoes box. And yeah, so it looks like a lot of people right now are doing that. They are going for the Hype Shoes. But what I think I'll do is I'm going to go over to HYPEBEAST Boom. And so this is originally at $199. I am going to open it up right now. So it is still Black Friday as far as the sale goes. And yeah, so here are some of the things that I could win. Rolex, some Supreme, Yeezys, some shoes, and those are a bunch of red. So there are a lot of things in here. So let's just go ahead, and this is kind of nerve-wracking because each box is $100, okay? So let's just open that up. And I'm going to open these up slowly, not like I did with the 100 box challenge. Blue, starting out really bad. And I got the Palace wristband. So I lost about $60 right there on that one. Let's sell that back, so I am down to $239. And try that again. Blue again, what the hell? A Bape keychain. I lost like $50 on that one. Like I said, this is gonna go a little bit quick, cause yeah, purple. Okay, purple, you guys. What's this? A towel. I lost like $50 on that one too. Shit. All right, I'm down to $138. I can only open one more if this doesn't work out. Okay, come on, purple. Okay, I got at least a purple. A Palace Adidas towel. Okay, so they're willing to buy it back for me about $100, so I made even on that one. I'm gonna try again. Purple, purple, purple. Got a Supreme license plate. Ooh. Okay, so they're willing to buy this back for about $150. $160, so I made some money on that one, so I'm going to sell that. I don't need that. And try it again. Purple again, thank goodness. Ooh. Oh, so this is a pair of shoes, but it is only worth $90. I'm just going to go ahead and sell that back and pocket the $20. I am at $218 right now. Try again, so I could open this up box at least 2 more times. Purple, okay, I like purple. That damn towel again. I'm gonna sell that back, so I lost $60. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Okay, this could be my last box. And I think it is, because it was a blue. And I got the wristbands again, but let's see how much. I'm at 114, so I can open up at least one more. See, when you go with the higher boxes, it could go really fast. Damn. Purple, okay. Another freaking towel. Let's see if there is enough money for me to. Nope, I'm at $73. So I had won 2 Apple Watches and a Supreme, what do you call it? A Supreme waist bag. And I am down to 70 bucks. And so what else could I open up? I have $73. Let's go to, I can't even open up a Hype shoes. Here, Supreme, $49.99. I could afford that. Damn, it's blue. It's gonna be a total bust. A keychain, look at that. Do I have enough to try again? I have at least one more try. So sucks. Okay, this is blue again. Another keychain. Okay, I'm at $59. I think I could try that one more time. Just all blues. I don't want that. Okay, now I can't even open this up anymore. How much was that? I have $47. Okay, Supreme was $49.99. What can I open up? Okay, this is kind of bad. I should have gone with Hype shoes because that's where people are getting their money. And so if I could, let's open up this one. This is girls' bags. If I could get up to $100, I'm gonna go to Hype shoes. Light blue, that's one of the worst I could get. I'm at $36. Another light blue. I think I totally just busted. No, I got $27 left. And this might be the last video I do on this because I'm just wasting my money. $27, I could try that again. Light blue, and I just totally $16. I could do that one more time. Okay, dark blue. I think I could go one more time. I have $19.88. Try that again. Okay, so this experiment was a total bust. And now I'm at $10.97. Let's go back and see what else we could win. Okay, let's go to Apple Boy. What the hell? I got light blue. Of course. So I have $7.87. This was horrible. Horrible, horrible. I'm just gonna cut it there because there is nothing else to win. I have $7.87. Let's go to Power Light, and the rest of this video is gonna be just me wasting more money. I could even try this again. Okay, $8. So I'm pretty much doing this so you guys don't have to waste your money doing it yourselves. And this might just be the last video I do on this. How much more money do I have? $253. $6, I'm getting up there a little bit. If I could get up to $10, I go back to Apple Boy. I think whenever, oh, white. So that's the worst. Whenever you see these cat gaming mouse pads up here, that's when you know people are just trying to get all their money down to zero. Okay, I could do one more. A fidget spinner. $3.48, I think I could do. And that is the G2A Pay a Death. Alright, so that wasn't a very successful video, but I hope you liked it nonetheless. And yeah, we'll see if I decide to put in more money or not, because you guys seem to like it. But yeah, that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you at the next one. And what's my outro? Just be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.